So another option of, instead of actually paying for something to be available to you, you can set up a reciprocal agreement. And a reciprocal agreement just means that I tell you, hey, if your company has some problems, you go through a disaster, you come over to our place. You can work in our place until you get back on your feet. And you say, great, same here. You have a problem, a disaster, you can come over to our facility and work. And so it's a reciprocal agreement. We both agree that if we experience disasters, then we can work in each other's offices or factories or whatever. Now, that sounds very nice, but the reality is that most organizations actually don't have the space or the processing, extra processing, or the resources to allow another company to actually move in. And reciprocal agreements, by definition, are not enforceable. So I could tell you that, hey, you got a disaster, you come over with us and we'll help you out. But then once you have the disaster, I say, I no speak English. I don't know what you're talking about. You can't come over. So it's not enforceable. It may not be available to you. But the companies that usually carry these things out are the ones that have specialized, usually like equipment, maybe car companies or newspapers. You know, newspapers have these large devices that do all the printing. They'll have reciprocal agreements because it's very expensive to have a redundant printing machine like that, and that's very specific to that industry.